like chicken and pizza? I prefer pizza than chicken. There are 3 reasons to support my opinion. First, I go to pizza school when I go to eat pizza. Pizza school is nearby to my house, so I can go there faster. And pizza school have many types of pizza, so I can choose many tastes of pizza. Then I don't sick of it. Second, I like sweet taste of pizza. For example, I like gorgonzola pizza, and it is sweet, so I like sweet pizza. For my experience, I ate spicy pizza and I ate sweet pizza, but I prefer sweet pizza more, so I like sweet pizza. Third, pizza is more cheaper than chicken, so I can save money. For example, some chicken is 21,000 won, and pizza is 19,000 won, so I can save 2,000 won. Then I can buy more things. For conclusion, I prefer pizza than chicken because I go to pizza school. I like sweet taste pizza, and pizza is more cheaper. Thank you for listening for my presentation.